Imagine waking up one day and realizing humans are no longer the smartest beings on Earth. Right now in China, engineers have created a humanoid robot that doesn't just move like us, it can actually think, learn, and make decisions on its own. This is no longer science fiction, this is real, but here's the scary part: this robot can improve itself. It watches human behavior, learns from it, and becomes smarter over time without needing constant human control. Experts are already warning that this could be the beginning of a new era, where machines don't just assist humans, they replace them. So the question is, if machines can think like us, what makes us different? And what happens when they become smarter than us? In this video, we are going to explore China's most advanced AI robot, and the reality that might change everything. Number 5. The rise of human-like robots in China. China is rapidly becoming the global leader in humanoid robotics, and what we are seeing today is just the beginning. These robots are no longer simple machines programmed to perform repetitive tasks. They are being designed to mimic human behavior in incredibly realistic ways. From facial expressions to body language, these robots can now interact with humans almost naturally. Companies in China are investing billions into developing robots that can work in offices, hospitals, and even homes. Imagine a robot that can greet you, understand your emotions, and respond accordingly. That's not a concept of the future anymore. It's already being tested. What's even more fascinating is how fast this technology is evolving. Just a few years ago, robots struggled to walk properly. Today, they can run, balance, and even perform complex actions like cooking or assisting elderly people. This rapid progress raises a serious question. If robots can already act like humans, how long before they fully replace them? Number 4. How these robots actually think and learn. What makes these Chinese robots truly different is not their appearance, it's their intelligence. These machines are powered by advanced artificial intelligence systems that allow them to learn from their surroundings in real time. Instead of following fixed instructions, they observe human actions, analyze patterns, and improve their behavior. For example, if a robot watches a human pick up an object, it can learn that movement and replicate it with increasing accuracy. Over time, it doesn't just copy, it adapts. This ability is known as machine learning, and it's what gives these robots the power to think. Some of these robots are even connected to cloud systems, meaning they can share knowledge with other robots instantly. If one robot learns something new, others can learn it too within seconds. This creates a powerful network of intelligence, almost like a shared brain. And that's where things start to feel a little scary, because now, machines aren't just learning individually, they're evolving together. Number 3. Real-life uses that are already replacing humans. This isn't just experimental technology, it's already being used in real life. Across China, robots are now working in factories, delivering packages, assisting in hospitals, and even serving customers in restaurants. Tasks that once required human effort are now being handled faster, cheaper, and more efficiently by machines. In factories, robots can work 24/7 without rest, making them more productive than human workers. In healthcare, they can assist doctors by monitoring patients or even performing basic procedures. Some robots are even being trained to care for elderly people, helping them walk, reminding them to take medicine, and providing companionship. While this sounds convenient, it also brings a major concern: jobs. As robots continue to improve, millions of people could find their roles replaced. This shift could change the global workforce forever. The real question is, are we ready for a world where machines do most of the work? Number 2. The scary risks nobody is talking about. As powerful as this technology is, it comes with serious risks, and not many people are talking about them. When machines start thinking and making decisions on their own, control becomes a major issue. What happens if a robot makes the wrong decision? Or worse, what if it stops following human commands? There's also the risk of misuse. Advanced robots could be used for surveillance, security enforcement, or even military purposes. With AI controlling these systems, the line between safety and danger becomes very thin. Another concern is dependency. As humans rely more on machines, we may start losing our own skills and independence. Imagine a world where people can't function without AI assistance. Experts are already warning that if this technology is not properly controlled, it could lead to consequences we are not prepared for. The question isn't just about what robots can do, but what could go wrong if things get out of control. Number 1. The future. Will humans lose control? Looking ahead, the future of AI and robotics is both exciting and uncertain. China is pushing the boundaries faster than ever, and every new breakthrough brings us closer to a world where humans and machines coexist at an entirely new level. Some experts believe robots will become our partners, helping us solve problems, improve healthcare, and make life easier. But others fear a different outcome, one where machines become too intelligent to control that if robots continue to evolve at this pace, they could eventually surpass human intelligence. At that point, the balance of power could shift. And once that happens, there may be no turning back. So the real question is, are we creating tools to help us, or are we building something we won't be able to control? Because the future of humanity might depend on the answer. So now you've seen the reality. China is not just building robots, it's building intelligence that can learn, adapt, and possibly outgrow human control. What once sounded like science fiction is now becoming part of our everyday world, but the real question still remains, are these machines going to help humanity or replace it? Because if technology keeps evolving at this speed, the future might not belong to humans alone. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think robots will become smarter than humans? Or will we always stay in control? Comment your thoughts below. I read every single one. And if you found this video interesting, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Because we are just getting started, and the next videos are going to be even more mind-blowing. Until then, stay curious, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.